morning guys! So today we decided to do island tour in Angtong National Park. So we will do some kayaking, some snorkeling. We are going with agency KK Day, so you can order this tour if you are in Koh Samui. Link is down in the description, so click that link. Again, service here is very good. They will pick you up from the hotel. They will also drop you to the hotel when you will finish this island tour. And you can have also breakfast here. We will have also some lunch on some island. You have to pay national park admission fee 300 baht. You will get here also snorkeling equipment, so you don't have to bring it with you, so it's very good. In few minutes we will go to the boat, so see you later. We are on the first snorkeling place. The island is called Koh Samui. It's a little bit wavy, so I hope it will be very nice snorkeling. And we should see here some corals. We have 1 hour to snorkel here, so let's see. On Koh Samui. It was good, but the water is not so clear because of the weather conditions, so it will be very nice snorkeling place if the water will be very calm, but now it's a bit wavy, so that's why it was not so clear water. We are now going to the second place, so see you there. Right now we are on our second place on Koh Island. It's called also lagoon because it's beautiful lagoon here. We are going to see it because there behind me up there is viewpoint, so we cannot wait to go and see it there. Here at the lagoon is very beautiful water. It's very beautiful. It's a pity that you cannot swim here, but anyway, it's very nice. From Koh Island we are going to the main national park, I think to eat Thai lunch, so I'm very excited. We just had very good Thai lunch. I had masaman curry with rice, and right now we are just going to relax a little bit because here we cannot kayak because the waves are too big and it's quite dangerous, so they recommend to don't go to kayaking, so we are staying on the beach relaxing. Right now we are on the last stop of our national park island tour, and it's beautiful beach where you can relax, swim, and also I think you can get the kayak. So, and also you can get swing here, so it's very nice. You can climb also to the viewpoint, but we didn't because my flip-flop got broken. I heard that it's through the jungle, so I think it will be very dangerous. And from here we will go back to Koh Samui. They will drive us to the hotel, and then tomorrow we are going to travel to Koh Tao. It's a beautiful island where we will stay like 6 nights. So don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already, and also hit that like button, comment below, and see you in the next video.